Today I have for you 3 different ways to put a super adorable bun in, a super adorable bow in your hair. So, first one, high ponytail. Grab your ponytail holder. Link in the description for more information about these ponytail holders. Pull through, not all the way. Just a little bit of a loop there. Okay. Then split the loop. Take your length. Wrap it around. Quick pin. Where's my Amish pin? Here's one. And spread these out. And there you have a bun. But there are better ways to do it on super long hair. So let's take a look at some of those. Okay, version number 2 is quite similar. There's just a slight variation. So another high ponytail. This time what this woman did was pull it through and then do the loop on the last one. Again, spread out. And we're going to get some bobby pins. Traditional bobby pins are going to work best for this. Where did I put all of my bobby pins? Oh boy. Now we're going to split this in 2. And bring it around, but what we're going to do is make this part form a little bit more of the bow. So instead of pulling it tight underneath, we're going to do it kind of loosely here. And on that side, so it matches up on there. And then, do some more pinning there, and then you'll have the small tail to go over the top. Why does this look a mess? I was doing well, except for this part is very weird. So I'm gonna pin the smaller tail there. And there you go, that's a long hair variation. And you can do some more bobby pins to try to get it all kind of evened out. And here's the version that I found on TikTok. I wasn't able to do it quite the same way as her where she pulls it up. I had to kind of gently lift it up and then put a clip or a bobby pin or 2 right underneath. But it came out super cute.